BioloMix 1200W Kitchen Food Stand Mixer with OLED Touchscreen 5L Bowl, 11 speeds plus 3 presets, DC motor. Low noise is less than or equal to 60 decibels, dough hook, whisk, beater, EU, US, UK plug. Transform your baking routine with the BioloMix Kitchen Food Stand Mixer, a powerful and precise electric mixer designed for both amateur and professional bakers. Featuring a durable 1200W DC motor, OLED touchscreen, and planetary mixing action, this mixer delivers quiet, efficient, and versatile performance with every use. With a 5L stainless steel bowl, 11 speed settings, 3 intelligent preset modes, and essential attachments included, this mixer is built to handle everything from fluffy whipped cream to heavy bread dough. Glowing star key features bowl with spoon 5L stainless steel mixing bowl. Ample capacity to prepare dough or batter for family-sized meals or parties. Comes with pouring shield to avoid mess and splatter. Dishwasher-safe bowl and accessories for quick and easy cleanup. Gear 11 adjustable speeds plus 3 preset functions. Choose from 11 precise speeds for everything from slow stirring to high-speed whipping. Use 3 intelligent presets, knead, mix, whisk, for one-touch baking simplicity and consistent results. OLED touchscreen display. Easy to read and intuitive digital control panel. Modern OLED display lets you adjust speed, preset modes, and track time with just a touch. Elegant design that elevates your kitchen aesthetic. Planetary mixing action. Ensures all ingredients are mixed evenly by rotating the tool while simultaneously spinning around the bowl. No more unmixed flour at the bottom or edges. Quiet operation is less than or equal to 60 decibels. Built with a high-quality DC motor and silent construction. Operates at less than 60 decibels, quieter than many standard mixers. Mix in peace without disrupting your home. Tilt head design with auto shut-off. Tilt the head to easily attach or remove beaters and bowl. Built-in head-up protection automatically shuts off power to prevent overheating or accidents. Stable and safe to use. Anti-slip rubber suction feet ensure the mixer stays in place during operation. Comes with overload protection for safe, long-term use. Technical specifications. Feature detail. Power 1200W DC motor. Bowl capacity 5 liters. Speed settings 11 speeds plus 3 preset functions. Control interface OLED touchscreen. Mixing system planetary mixing. Noise level is less than or equal to 60 decibels. Ultra-quiet operation. Voltage 110 volts, 220 volts. Plug options. US, EU, UK per astronomical unit. Safety features overheat protection. Head-up shut-off, suction feet. Attachments included whisk, flat beater, dough hook, splash guard. Material stainless steel bowl plus ABS housing. Perfect for kneading bread or pizza dough. Mixing cake or cookie batter. Whipping cream or egg whites. Preparing pasta dough or thick mixtures. Cooking for the whole family or guests.